What's going on, YouTube? I'm here with TradeUI to show you how you can use their option flow filtering system to help you find some potential trades. Today, I was going to discuss two different things. First, I was going to discuss a day trade that I entered this morning with PayPal. And the second thing I was going to do was follow up with ARCH that we alerted a few days ago to see how that one ended up performing over on the market. So what I like to do when I start my trading day is I set my option flow filtering system up right here. I make sure I have a 30 DTE, look for stocks, and I look for things that people are starting to buy. Now, we're already at 11 o'clock in the trading day. So this is a trade that was entered roughly right at the open. And what caught my attention up here in the sweep section was actually PayPal. So PYPL, show you the actual sweep that caught my attention this morning. All right, so this contract right here with 7 days to expiration, when PayPal's at $100.81, caught my attention for me to start looking at it. It was a block trade and it was issued at 9:33, right at the open. So that tells me there was some bullish action going on. So I'm going to show you the chart and show you what happened. And as you can see right now, it's actually rallying pretty good right here. So when I see this chart, I actually drew out the lines. I drew out the bottom line is actually the entry point when the alert came out, as well as where I was looking for my entry point. And the top line is the target that I was going for. You see that we have a good support level right here around the $100.50 mark. So that was actually my entry. I think my entry is actually $100.49. But I'll get on to the 1 minute chart. I actually entered when we touched the bottom of this VWAP right here. I touched when we started seeing this candle reverse the other way. And my target was 150 because if you look right here at the yesterday's high, we had a resistance at $150 or $101.50. So I ended up using that as my target. For me, that was a quick play. I ended up getting 200 shares and cashing out on $1 a share. So that was a quick buck for me today. So I'm curious to see what happens with the rest of this chart throughout the day. However, this is a scalp. This is a day trade. I'm in and I'm out and I move on with my day. But another stock that I want to mention is ARCH. Now, if you look at our previous videos that we uploaded, you'll see where I actually talked about ARCH when it was around the low 130s. I saw some option activity come out. I think it was around this when it started breaking down hard. So we consolidated in the 122 to the 127 area for a little while. So we held this play for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, roughly 8 to 9 days. And then you started to see it return to the upside. My actual target in the video was 145. I got a little conservative and said, you know what, this rallied 8% in 1 day. I'm going to cash out and move on. But as you can see, it continued to go upward and now it's trading at $151. So if you followed us on that video and you entered that trade the same day we did, congratulations. If you're still holding it, you made a great profit. It looks like that one was a clear winner. But that just shows you the power of how you can read the option flow filtering system to really see what kind of winners you have out there in the market. This is just a quick video for you guys today. I'm not going to go into any more detail about TradeUI. Please check out our other videos. If you want to see what we're about, I'm going to drop a link in the description below to where you can actually access TradeUI and get started with to give yourself a trading edge. Thank you guys and have a good day and a great weekend.